cabin in Washington Dulles. So seatbelt signs back on for the flight. Please help us get ready for landing by putting away your carry-on items, taking your seats and fastening your seatbelts. Food and beverages must be collected and brought away for landing. We'll be coming by to collect any remaining items.
Were you able to film
Feel free to
it?
keep using your charging phones and
Yeah.
tablets. Just make sure they're in airplane mode and either placed in a pocket or held. If you're sitting in the exit row, please unplug all devices from the outlets.
I want to get the video feed of
Bring
that
your seats
too.
up, move your headrest back to its original position, and put away your tray tables. If you're seated in the exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shade for landing.
Alrighty.
Passengers, please prepare the cabin for arrival and be seated.
Wow. So now I got that audio feed. Now I can see.
We're going to be getting off the airplane.
Of course, we gotta get our blanket out.
So they told us to put all our stuff. Yeah, here, let's put this on your legs like this.
Wow. We are filming right now. That audio feed comes from right there. You guys see it?
Yeah,
Of course. So, hey guys.